It's a great day. Lifting, plumping, and tightening can make you look years younger. But until recently, much of that would involve injection, surgery, or aggressive skin peels. Here to shed some light on the latest way to get results without going through any of those procedures, please welcome back Dr. Shalina Lodgy from Dr. Shel Wellness and Medical Spa, along with her patient, Tammy.
Yay.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
And that is the goal.
That is the goal.
The treatments today are, addressing some of the issues that people had with, it's like, how long am I going to be down?
Exactly.
Is it, does it going to hurt? Is it going to work, right?
Right. So, amazing new technology, Photona's 4D rejuvenation, and 4D stands for four-dimensional. What is going on with this new technology is there are 4 proprietary different treatments that we do in conjunction, and it's really done all in one sitting. So we start with smooth lifting. With the smooth lifting, what we're doing is we're actually applying this laser. It's an erbium YAG laser, which is intraoral collagen stimulation as well as on the outside.
And then collagen is the thing that gives us our plump and our bounce. And
exactly.
Okay.
So when you do this collagen through and through stimulation, you're actually getting this lift without any kind of surgery, downtime, injections even. You actually see the nasolabials go away because you get the plumping. And then you hit it with what's called the FRAC 3, so you get rid of the imperfections with the fine lines, the wrinkles, the spots, and then we hit it with a piano mode, where we're really stimulating those wrinkles and getting the face looking better. And then the final approach is what we call the superficial laser, which is like a cold peel that really is just going to give you this pearly look on your face and skin. It's amazing.
Yeah. Tammy, you started looking in the mirror and you started noticing some things. And what was starting to bug you?
Well, I did the bioidentical hormones and I started feeling a lot better about myself. And then I started seeing the wrinkles. I used to tan as well, sun damage. So I said, Dr. Shel, look, I need a little help. I need a little help here. So that's when we went on to do the laser treatments.
Yeah, in fact, we're looking at right here. Okay, so some issues with your skin, some pigmenting from acne and things like that as well.
I had a lot of acne scars from when I was pregnant, and then the laser resurfacing actually smoothed them out tremendously. I could tell a big difference.
And when you say laser resurfacing, I know in years past, it can be real aggressive.
It can. So in the years past, you're talking about 3 weeks of downtime because we had the CO2 lasers, which were so strong. And now we just don't have time for that. People don't have time to take that kind of time down.
Yeah.
And now with advanced technology, you can get the same results with minimal to no downtime, which is just incredible. So with Tammy here, we were able to, because she had lost about 51 pounds with our weight loss program.
Wow.
So she looks great. Looks amazing.
I'm just going to stop right here. I'm going to back up a minute. Okay, because here's the thing. When we say Dr. Shel Wellness, it is a whole comprehensive program.
Absolutely.
So there are a number of things that you had done. We love the laser thing where it lifts and tightens and gets rid of the the scars and things like that. But you talked about the weight loss program. There are lots of things that could impact our ability to lose weight.
You're absolutely
hormones
right.
are oftentimes the last thing people look at.
Exactly. So they think, well, is it what I'm eating? Is it my diet? Is it my exercise or lack thereof?
I exercise and I don't eat a whole lot.
Right, that is correct.
You do. Right. Yeah.
But when your thyroid is undercorrected, when you are hypothyroid, when your hormones are off balance, when you're in estrogen dominance, when your cortisol is skyrocketing, you have a lot of imbalances that really you cannot overcome that with just diet and exercise. You've got to get your thyroid right. You have to get your hormones right. You've got to get your stress down. You've got to eat healthier. Really, like we spoke about this morning, get your nutritional testing done. Get your food sensitivity testing done. We can do all of that and balance it all so that when you do eat healthy and exercise, you can lose weight like Tammy did, about 51 pounds.
Yeah, you really push the reset button.
Absolutely, absolutely. Yes. You've got to fix everything from the inside. But then when you lose weight, what happens? Everything drops.
Right. Yes.
Tammy needed that lift.
Yes. So I've had the first treatment of the 4, and which they've seen. So I'm waiting. I can't wait to see the difference.
All right. So how did it feel?
It didn't hurt at all. I mean, there was a little heat. That was it. I mean, I went straight back to work.
Yeah.
It was a 30-minute, I believe it was up.
And Dr. Shel,
like,
how many do we need to start seeing our results, or do we start, and how long does it take to start seeing results?
So, very good question. If you do all 4 of the 4D in one sitting, within about a week or 2, you are going to start seeing the results, and it's really fantastic.
Yeah, and the thing I love is not the radical results. Okay, we're looking at how another area where it can be used.
Yes. So those are toes, of course, that you saw, and those are toenail fungus. And, that's where we have candida overgrowth in our body, and that can present itself in the form of toenail fungus. And that was just a single laser treatment, and the toes are cleared.
Wow, and done, as opposed to the creams that you hope will work for weeks at a time.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And then, you know, you, as you see on the screen right there, you've got the wrinkles that are gone, you've got the lifting of the jowls, and this person just had a single treatment, and after the recovery, this is what they look like.
Yeah, so
It's
Tammy, you
amazing.
start seeing like results on things, you're thinking, why stop there?
I know. I'm like, I can't
Exactly.
wait till the beginning of the next month to have the next treatment.
And having some, and your thing was, I'm never shaving my legs again.
You're right.
Yes,
You're
that's
right.
right.
And that didn't hurt at all. I thought,
Because-
oh, that's going to be painful, but it was not painful at all.
Hair removal,
Yeah,
something else
It's
you all
great
do.
to have hair removal. People want it on their legs, back, what have you, but they don't have an hour for the back. With this new technology, with Photona's laser, 15 minutes for both legs, 15 minutes for the back, and pain-free. It's
And done.
incredible.
Okay, and then there's also different types of rejuvenation. Obviously, we were talking about,
Yes.
you know, the face and the here, but there's other parts of the body. Let me
Yes.
just say,
Yes.
other parts of the body that can be rejuvenated.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
for she's over there going, yes. Okay. And there's certainly people who do it for aesthetic reasons,
Yes.
but also for health reasons.
Exactly. So there's a lot of medical components to different parts of our body, and let's not be shy about it. You know, we need to talk about this openly. Women, especially around their perimenopause or menopausal time periods, they have a lot of vaginal atrophy, which is dryness, which is, you know, related to incontinence and pain during certain activities, as well as just being able
Certain
to...
activities.
We're trying to stay PG-13.
Yes,
So when you have vaginal dryness, vaginal atrophy, dyspareunia, and just incontinence, which is really uncomfortable for
Yeah.
women, especially.
And cause
there
infections, all kinds of
and
things.
cause
Yeah.
infections, etc., of course, and keep you awake from sleeping a full night.
Mm-hmm.
What is really important is to be able to do, again, non-surgical, non-invasive treatments to be able to rejuvenate the mucosa, the collagen in that area so that we can diminish incontinence, we can diminish the vaginal dryness, we can diminish the pain, we can diminish infections, and really give you your health and your life back.
Yeah.
And this can be done with laser treatments, not to mention a little stimulation of the collagen so things feel younger, if you know what I mean.
Oh.
And the collagen gets a little tighter, if you know what I mean.
Yes,
so
yes.
that's always a good little side benefit.
Okay. Tammy, we were talking about this in the green room earlier, and Tammy goes, I haven't had that done yet. But
I haven't got that.
But you know
That's
where to
on the
go if
list.
you need it.
I
All
sure
right, Dr. Shel has a special offer for viewers. Get a free consultation and up to 25% off all aesthetic laser treatments and bioidentical hormone packages when you mention Great Day Houston. Call by noon today to take advantage of this special offer. Get your appointment in. The number is 281-313-SHEL. That's 281-313-7435. Or log on to drshel.com. And Dr. Shel is DRSHEL. So one L there, DRSHEL.com. Thank you very much,
Great
ladies.
to be here.
I feel like a whole new woman just talking to you.
Exactly.
Don't forget to log on to Facebook and let us know, should government have the final word on your child's vaccinations, or should a parent's religious and personal beliefs be taken into account? A bill in California would do away with that argument for parents to opt out of vaccinating their children. We'll share some of your comments a little bit later on in the show. Well, living with depression is like living life in a fog. You're here, but you're not really here. Even getting out of bed in the morning can be a real struggle. Up next, no pills, no surgery, but it's a therapy that works.